And I will separate my speech into two parts. First, I will introduce this new concept to you. And second, after you realize what third-hand smoke is, I will tell you about its influence on human bodies. And before I start my speech, I would like to ask you a question. If you have heard about this term, third-hand smoke, please raise your hand. Okay, let's look around your classroom that only 3 people know about this term. And according to the survey, let's look at the right graph, the left graph. It's a survey conducted by Foundation and Danshan University. And you can see that more than half of people don't know about this term, third-hand smoke. And look at the right graph. There are up to 90% of people think second-hand smoke is harmful, but there are only 60% of people who think third-hand smoke is harmful. But as a matter of fact, third-hand smoke does harm to human bodies. And from the two graphs, we can know that third-hand smoke is a new and unfamiliar concept to most of people. And now, I want to introduce this concept to you. What is third-hand smoke? It is contamination on the surface of objects. That is to say, if you smoke and the chemicals and the harmful chemicals made by your smoking will attach to the objects around you, such as the sofa and the curtain and table and the floor. Yes, and these chemicals will, after the smoke clear out, these chemicals still exist, and the chemicals stays on the surface for several months, several weeks, even several months. If you have a habit of smoking, the harmful chemicals will stay on your hair or on your clothes for months. And sometimes the residue of a cigarette will combine with other chemicals, and the new chemicals made by this combination will, and the new chemical combined by this combination will does harm to human bodies and may cause cancers. And now that you know what is third-hand smoke is, let's move to its influence. As I mentioned before, the third-hand smoke is a contamination on surface of objects. And if you smoke, the harmful chemicals made by your smoke and will attach to the objects around you. And how does this harmful chemicals influence human bodies? They enter human bodies by respiring dust and contacting to skin. And if you think you're lucky that no one at your house smoke, so there is no harmful chemicals at your apartment, you will be totally wrong, because these harmful chemicals can enter your house by your air pipes. That means if your upstairs or downstairs neighbors have a habit of smoke, these harmful chemicals will enter your house by your apartments pipes. So, and how these harmful chemicals influence human bodies? First, it increase the chance of getting diabetes and heart disease, stroke, sudden death, and lung cancer. In Taiwan, cancers are the main cause of death, and lung cancer is in the first place of the 10 cancers. Third-hand smoke can increase the chance of getting lung cancers by 25%. And now that you know what third-hand smoke is and how it seriously influences human bodies, and I hope you can consider more about this smoking issue. Thank you.
Thank you, Hua Hui. Let's welcome Jia Ling.